My name's Mark Derry. I'm the CEO here at Unimaq. I'm basically responsible for the business on a day-to-day basis. We've been in business for about 30 years now. The company was started by Bertie de Jong, who's still the owner today, so it's a privately owned business. So Unimaq is a manufacturer of two-piece aluminium beverage cans decorating machines. We print the logos on the outside of cans, so if you take a Coca-Cola can or a Pepsi-Cola can or a beer can that you see in the supermarkets, our machines typically print those. They're very sophisticated machines, they work at very high speed, so one of our decorators typically prints up to 2,500 cans per minute.
Having the QC Calc software and the VICIVISION provided by Carfilan gives us one point of contact. They work together seamlessly. It just makes life easy.
We need good consistency and repeatability. So that's why Vici is an ideal machine for us to use. Quite significantly improved our inspection process and speeded things up because of the pure volume of parts that we're inspecting on a day-to-day basis. So
it is in constant use, not just for production items. It's very good for reverse engineering parts. There's features that will do G-tolerancing, concentricities, runouts, cylindricities, which are all incredibly useful for a lot of our parts. It picked up errors that our previous inspections weren't picking up.
We've been able to improve our lead times, we're able to assure the accuracy of the components that go into our machines, and therefore we can give sort of warranties to our customer with a degree of confidence, knowing that they're going to work and do what they're supposed to do. Yeah. The QC Calc software has been really valuable to us. We inspect an awful lot of parts, so we got an awful lot of data, and obviously one of the key things is archive access, so the ability to go straight back to an inspection report from several years ago in some cases, easily and quickly is a big issue for us. So data control is an important thing, and we find the QC Calc software is perfect for that. Being able to interpret the system and get an instant report, and being able to analyse data over several parts over a period of time but get an instant answer is really useful. When we're selecting tools, for example, seeing the amount of drift we've got in sizes over a period of time and getting an instant decision on that, knowing it's time to change the tool or to look at an alternative tool supplier, for example. The other aspect of it is, from a client perspective, it gives them confidence that if they have any issues with our equipment and they want some historical traceability of inspections that were carried out on components or sizes of parts, it gives us the ability to give that information to them quickly and easily.
The support we've had for it has been really good. It comes along with the support and training that we had for the VICIVISION. We have one point of contact for everything to do with the VICIVISION QC Calc. There just seems to be a good relationship between the two bits of software and the company that's provided them for us.
If our experience is anything to go by, I'd highly recommend that people look at Carfilan because they offer a lot of things and they do them all well.